This video is featured by Instacart. You can receive $10 off your first delivery through my link, which will be in the description box. Now, Instacart is great grocery delivery to your door. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell on YouTube to get notified whenever I upload a video. Totally appreciate it. So hey guys, here's my Dollar Tree spring supply haul, and I really needed some retail therapy. I was feeling down. I hadn't visited Dollar Tree in about a week, and here I am in the aisles loving it, getting back to myself. I realized that when I don't visit, I don't feel well. But anyway, I picked up some greenery as always. I finally was able to pick up more moss sheets, foxstones, and the reindeer moss. And here's a quick message. Pick up greenery whenever you see it. Pick up flowers or whatever. Greenery is so important for any type of project you're doing, any type of vase filler, everything. I also got the chalkboard wood stakes, and I got a few packs of them. I got about 5 to 6 packs just in case I need them throughout the summer. I picked up these beautiful pictures. Dope. I also got the foam boards as well, the 4-pack, and I found this farmhouse picture along with these candle holders, and I definitely got some cups as well. I always get paintbrushes, the Sink It Fresh when they have them, and I got these little grape babies here. Make sure you click on the video in my YouTube to watch how I turned them into gems. They were so easy to make, and I love making them, so I hope I can find more grapes soon. I also got some lace and ribbon, which is always a necessity. Can't go wrong with that. Mod Podge is a definite. Now remember, this is a supply haul, so you need to pick up napkins and anything that you would like to replace what you've already used throughout your time of, doing DIYs or just shopping and everyday lifestyle. So don't forget, make sure you pick up your napkins for your table. Make sure you pick up just little things here and there to fill in what you may need for your home. I also picked up the stencil letters and numbers, and I got these kitchen towels and the placemat because sometimes they always run out. And I love the haul that I did this last time at Dollar Tree. I picked up a lot of stuff. This was about 2 or 3 trips to different Dollar Trees because sometimes you can't pick up so many things. And question, why do people get mad when you pull up to the register with a whole bunch of stuff in your cart? That's just a quick find, and I always laugh about. But here's some of the still shots of some of the items that I did get, so you can see what I got. For the Mod Podge, make sure you realize you're picking up the matte and the gloss. I can't wait to use those stencils. Oh my goodness, guys, those napkins, I'm definitely going to make sure they make a visit to my tablescape this summer. And those glasses are only for guests for special occasions. Also, here's a close-up of the candlestick holders. They're so cute. I cannot wait to use them. And here's a little sign that you can flip in and out. That's going to be made into a farmhouse sign for my kitchen. And it'll go amazingly along with this farmhouse picture frame that I got. So cute. Here's a close-up of those canvas pictures from Dollar Tree. Great quality, only for $1 each. Look at those. They're going to be so cute in my guest bathroom. And guys, this is what everyone went crazy for. 800 likes on my Instagram. Those kitchenware utensils. And here's a little mermaid picture, which I didn't get. Now, they also are carrying the placemats and the houseware mats in Our Nest, Blessed, Home Sweet Home. I didn't pick up any of those. And I was so crazy for not picking them up. I definitely should have picked up one of each because I have doors all over the place in my house, and I definitely could have used them. They also have these lavender pots that I didn't pick up because all spring long they've been selling lavender, but I didn't pick those up. And the kitchenware is in stock, beautiful colors, the greens, the pinks, the yellows, the summer wear stuff is coming out. So make sure you pick those up, guys, because for summer, we're going full blast color, okay? So now they have everything you need. My problem is, what other project can I do? But anyway, thank you for watching this Dollar Tree haul. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button at Lifestylediyw on YouTube, Instagram, or Pinterest. Also, hit that bell. Make sure you also watch my latest video, my April Ipsy Bloom bag review.